Motivation is the biggest dream killer. Let me tell you why motivation will cause you to fail. Have you ever woken up and not felt motivated to do shit? Like maybe going to the gym or working on your business or, doing something that you know is gonna get you to the next step all the time, right? That's why motivation won't get you to where you need to go. You need to have discipline and consistency. I wasn't able to retire my parents and build a multi-million-dollar business and buy my first house after 6 months of starting e-commerce. This is the house that I retired my parents in. I started in late 2016, and in May 2017, I bought my first house and retired my parents. And that took discipline, not motivation, because there were times that I would not feel like working on the business, but you always have to have in your mind, why are you doing what you are doing? What is your why? And when you lack motivation and you think about that why, that's where the discipline starts kicking in, because you know you need to do it. You don't have any other choice to be able to get where you want to go. So stop wasting time, get off your fucking ass, and let's make this shit happen. Let's go!